Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to customize your AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro. Open Zepp app and go into Device. Here you have watch faces, so first unlock our watch and change a face to, for example, this one, sync. And now wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it has changed. Then we have here an app store. You can download some of the apps. Some of are free, for the other ones you need to pay. And that's just apps for your watch. For example, the Healthy Body, designed to give you full control over your body. It provides the most important measurements in a simple and clear way directly on your wrist. No more guesswork and manual data entry. Now all key and indicators are always with you. And here you can just install the app. Then we have the feature checklist. You can enable here any feature and disable it as well. For example, app notification, Bluetooth calls, Zepp Messenger, calendar, weather, and device pairing optimization. Then we have here the notification and reminders and the health monitor. Here are some of the most important options. So auto heart rate monitor, here you can disable it or change the frequency. Remember that more frequent means that the watch's battery will drain really fast. Then we have active heart rate monitor. When detecting a physical activity, the device will automatically increase the monitoring frequency. It also improves heart rate accuracy at the start of the workout. Here we have the sleep assisted sleep monitor and sleep breathing monitor, auto stress monitor, and auto blood monitor. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.